Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Be a Hero with your waterproof action camera. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join our family. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is the latest flagship action camera from the company that created the category. The small Go Anywhere camcorder has been redesigned without changing the aesthetics established over the past few generations. It records 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with excellent stabilization and is waterproof. It's the best action cam you can buy today and earns our editor's choice. Same looks, new design. The Hero 8 Black looks a lot like last year's Hero 7 at a glance, but closer examination shows that the GoPro has done some work on the body design. It's just a little taller and wider, 1.9 by 2.6 by 1.1 inches, but just by a matter of millimeters. The lens cover is larger and doesn't extend quite as far out from the body. The exterior frame is metal with rubber around the edges and faceplate. The camera itself is built tough to survive drops. Its light 4.4-ounce body helps in that regard as well. It's also waterproof to 33 feet without the need for an additional housing. You don't need to use a mounting frame anymore. Mounting clips are built into the body. They fold into the bottom and are secured magnetically so you can still set the camera down on a flat surface for recording. You get a mounting foot and a screw as well as a couple of adhesive sticky mounts along with the camera. You'll probably want to add some others. I tried the camera with the El Grande extension pole and enjoyed the versatility it provides in grabbing footage from more interesting angles. If you're just getting started, the Shorty, a combination mini tripod and extension pole, is a good first accessory, especially if you're interested in vlogging. And GoPro is definitely targeting vloggers with some of the Hero 8's features. Video stabilization has been upgraded all around and is even more effective if you slightly narrow the angle of view of the lens. Plus, there are features like time warp, a motion time lapse, which is pitch perfect for social media. It also records in 9:16 orientation for Instagram stories and Snapchat videos. There's an orientation lock included in the settings, so you won't accidentally record in the wrong aspect ratio. I had a couple clips record in an unintended vertical format, but I was able to rotate them to the right orientation using the GoPro iOS app and my everyday video editing app, Adobe Premiere Pro CC. There's also a front-facing microphone now, which picked up my voice clearly when shooting a selfie video with the El Grande. If you have a YouTube channel, and who doesn't these days, you'll want something better to capture audio though. Mods. GoPro has long supported external microphones via USB, but mounting solutions haven't been entirely elegant. With the Hero 8 Black, it's introducing a new mod system. Mods attach directly to the camera. The basic media mod, $79.99, adds a directional microphone, a 3.5mm mic port, HDMI video output, and 2 cold shoes. There's also a display mod which adds a front-facing color LCD. It's an add-on for the media mod. GoPro figures if you're serious enough to ensure your selfie video is framed perfectly, you'll also want better audio. The third add-on, the light mod, is a battery-powered LED light. It slides into one of the cold shoe mounts on the media mod. I haven't had a chance to try the mods myself, but have asked GoPro to send them over for review once they're available. The company is going to start taking pre-orders for the mods in December, but there's no firm shipping date at press time. Controls and interface. The Hero 8 Black is very minimalist in design. The power and mode button is on its left side and record is on top. Those are the only buttons. The camera does support voice commands as well. You can say, GoPro, start recording, and it will. There's a monochrome LCD on the front to show recording status and other settings. You'll adjust the settings and the like using the touchscreen interface. The rear screen is small, about 2 inches diagonally, with a 461K dot design. It's enough resolution to show the view from the lens with good detail and to render menu text crisply. It's also very bright, a plus for a camera that will get a lot of use outdoors, and viewable from askew angles. The side button switches between the 3 main shooting modes: photo, time-lapse, and video. You'll need to use the touchscreen to dive down and change additional settings like resolution, frame rate, and angle of view. The screen is pretty small, but GoPro has worked to improve the interface. GoPro has abandoned the idea of universal video settings, replacing them with capture presets. This lets you switch between the best settings for vlogging, fast action, slow motion, and others with single taps. You can set up any number of your own presets. The Hero 8 includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to connect to your phone and also has a GPS to log capture location. It works with the GoPro app, a free download for Android and iOS. The app is used to copy videos and photos over to your phone and includes its own video editor. The battery, USB-C charging port, and micro SD slot are housed in the same compartment. The door is a little cramped, and I had some trouble getting the micro SD card out at times, but it's something you live with when the camera is this small. The battery is good for about 70 minutes of recording time with the highest quality settings. The 4K footage is saved at 100 MIPS, so you'll fill up memory cards quickly. You can expect to get about 35 minutes on a 32GB memory card. GoPro's best Hero yet. The Hero 8 Black takes everything we liked about last year's Hero 7 Black and either maintains or betters it. The video quality remains excellent with stabilized 4K footage at 60 frames per second, and it's built tough with a waterproof design that lets you take it anywhere. There are ergonomic improvements. The built-in mounting clips mean you can ditch an external cage, and the addition of capture presets makes it a lot easier to swap between different recording options. The mod system is intriguing as well. I'm looking forward to giving it a try, but it's not shipping yet. It adds to the cost, but if you're serious about your YouTube channel, you may find it worth it. If you're looking for a slightly less expensive option, consider the DJI Osmo Action, priced at $379 with a $39 microphone adapter available. Its battery life isn't as good, but it includes a built-in front LCD so you can monitor your shot without the need for an add-on screen. That said, the Osmo didn't wow us quite enough to replace the GoPro Hero 7 Black as our top action camera. The Hero 8 Black does, and is easy to recommend to anyone shopping for the best action cam on the market. Comment below and let us know what you think about the GoPro Hero 8 Black. If this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!